Welcome everybody to the first video in English of this channel. This channel is Everyday Tech and we talk about tech. So in this video, the very first thing that we're gonna do is to install the NetFramework 3.5. So let's begin. I want you to hit start and type control panel. When you get control panel screen in front of you, you can choose uninstall the program. So in this section or in this window, we're gonna hit turn Windows features on and off. Right, and in this window we have NetFramework 3.5 includes NetFramework 2.0 and 3.0. So let's hit the check mark and press OK. So for this tutorial, I want you to have internet connection. So you need to stay connected to the internet in order to download this archive or this Windows feature. So let's go ahead and press OK. Let's hit the first section that says let Windows Update download the files for you. Yes, I want that. Go ahead and click and just wait for the download. It takes like 5 minutes if you have like 20 megabits of internet connection, I think. So let's see the task manager. Go ahead and right at the bottom of your taskbar, right click and hit task manager. Task manager, go to more details and performance and network. So I am downloading with like 23, 80, 18, 16 megabits per second. That's a fast speed. That's good. Let's wait for the downloading the required files and install the required files too. So let's wait. Now my internet is 15 megabits per second. Let's just wait for this to finish. This method is compatible with every version of Windows. Every version of Windows, Windows 10 and up, is compatible. Doesn't care the edition is if Home, Pro, Enterprise. It doesn't care. It always works. So Windows completed the requested changes. Thank you. Close. So we're again gonna hit turn Windows features on or off. Right, and you see that the NetFramework 3.5 includes NetFramework 2.0 and 3.0 is installed on your system. If you hit this little icon, you can check that you don't have activated Windows Communication Foundation's HTTP or Hypertransfer Protocol or Hypertransfer Transmission Protocol, excuse me, and Windows Communication Foundation known HTTP activation. These two little requirements is specifically if you have if you want to have that communication that is for servers and programmers with the NetFramework. So this is the first video. Take it easy on me and enjoy the knowledge that I have and that I bring to you in this English version. So take care. Bye bye.